I'm sorry, desert lizard. So we do have lots of wildlife. The only thing that we ask is if you see wildlife, you shout it out so the folks next to you can hear it as well. And then eventually this will all change to ranch land, and you'll see the wild hamburger out here, aka the cow.
And he was Gene Autry. He was born in Tioga, Texas. Grew up in Oklahoma. Poor guy. And then he moved to Hollyweird. So the Texans will demonstrate the Texas yodel for you, and the Californians will do the California yodel for you. You guys want to warm up first? Here's your part. That's it. I'm back in the saddle again, out where a friend is a friend. Longhorn cattle feed on lowly Jepson Bead. Back in the saddle again, once more. Toting my old 44, and I sleep out every night, and the only law is right. Back in the saddle again, and whoopee-tie, oh, I'm rocking to and fro. Back in the saddle again. Whoopee-tie, I go my way. Back in the saddle. This is where you would come in right here, but I'll cover for you. Your part would have been. Maybe Texas wants to jump in. Let's see if they're true Texans. Born in Texas? Take it. Phony Texans. They must be from North Texas. Like Amarillo. Gene Autry only did that until he could afford to buy a Major League Baseball team. In 1961, he started up his own private little team, named them the Angels of Anaheim. They were Pacific Coast League. He spent $2 million doing that in 1961. They interviewed him in the Los Angeles Times, said, Gene, $2 million, how long can you go along like that? He said, about 60 years. So we had to get another yodeler. We got one from Ohio. Named him, his name was Roy Rogers. You remember Roy Rogers? Had a horse named Trigger. Had him stuffed and put in a museum. Had a dog named Bullet. Had him stuffed and put in a museum. Had a wife named Dale. He died first. Texas. Take it, girls. I am so disappointed. You're young. You can do it the modern way, okay? Now, the modern way is you move your lips and I make the noise. Just like Taylor Swift. Take it.
And also the first stop is also the most popular spot for sunrise and sunset, and there's restrooms. I don't know about you, but if I've been on a train 2.5 hours, I might be ready to use the restroom. Y'all ready to go? Yeah. Let's get out of here. Picture paint 1,000 words. One more bad joke and we're gone. What do you call a chameleon lizard that does not change color? It's a reptile dysfunction. We have 7 million visitors, and most come between Memorial Day and Labor Day. Some of these streets the government did are one way, and traffic and parking is close to impossible. You did away with all that. You just since it came up here in the train. That's the way to play the game. But ain't tough. We'll see in about 5 minutes, and in about, I'd say 10 or 12 from right now, we'll be off the bus and we'll be there for a half hour, and I'll find the restrooms. You know, number 2, pencils. Sorry, it's elevation. Yabba dabba doo. Now, keep your eyes peeled, okay? Now, the white-tailed deer is probably the most popular in the USA, right? Well, this one here just got a long ear like the mule back there at the barn. And the longer ear, man, they made a different species. That's about the only difference I can see, you know. I'm going to show you a fish up top here. Awesome fish up here. Hey, check it out, team. 30 minutes from the time I get stopped. And there's the restroom. It'll be right in front of you. This is the only restroom stop on the trail. You know what I mean, Kelly Bay? Yes. Right.
I'm like, yeah, I'm literally just like, tengo la boca abierta, I'm just like. Squirrel! That's what amazes us.